We're at Aritzia, and they actually have 3 elevators here. Got this one. I'm not sure if these are new installs or if these are from what the previous tenant was. Oh, wow, this is definitely from the previous tenant. These take a minute to level. Down to B. B is locked. 1. I bet these were Montgomery, actually. Yeah, I think these were Monty. Anyway, go back up to 2. Landed on the 2nd floor. It's 150 feet per minute. I doubt that. Interesting panel there. Kind of looks like RT almost. These are interesting. Huh, but 3 is just open there. Strange. Anyway, that's it.